Today we teach you how to make summer snacks. The first one is a classic, homemade vanilla milkshake. We will need vanilla ice cream, milk, vanilla extract, whipped cream, and sprinkles. Add 4 tablespoons of ice cream, 100 milliliters of milk, and mix it. If you want, you can add a little bit more of vanilla for a more intense flavor. Put it in a glass. Decorate it with whipped cream and sprinkles. And that's it! Now go enjoy a super cool snack! The second snack is a yogurt and strawberry ice pop. We need sugar, strawberries, plain yogurt, and a mold for ice pops. If the yogurt is not sweetened, mix it with a tablespoon of sugar. Cut the strawberries. And put them in the mold. Psst, don't forget to give this video a like if you're enjoying it. Pour the yogurt over the strawberries. And add more. Close the mold. Put the stick. And put it in the freezer for at least 5 hours. And check it out! The third snack is a melon ice cream. We need melon, honey, and lemon. To get 1 big cup of ice cream, we will need 2 slices of melon. Cut them. And put them in the blender. Add 4 teaspoons of honey. And the juice of half a lemon. And beat it. Subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Pour it into a container. And put it in the freezer for more than 5 hours. When you take it out, chop it well with a fork. And there you have it, a yummy natural ice cream. And when it melts, you can drink it as a melon sorbet. The last snack is a blackberry and mango ice pop. We just need mango and blackberries and a mold for ice pops. Start by cutting the mango. Beat it well. And pour it into the mold, leaving some space. Do the same with the blackberries. Beat them. And put them in the mold. As before, we're going to put it in the freezer for at least 5 hours. It looks incredible! Leave us in the comments which idea you like the most. The milkshake, the yogurt and strawberry ice pop, the melon ice cream, or the mango and blackberry ice pop. Thank you for watching our video. Bye!